Hello mga bossing, Justip Gaming po, inviting you to join Raccoon Seed by Playpark this coming Saturday po, February 1, 2025 for the ROG Domination Tournament. Free entrance po ito mga boss, and the ROG Domination Tournament has a 150,000 cash prize pool. And also mga boss, kapag ka sinabi nating on ground, matic yan, may door prize yan mga bossing. So ito po yung mga door prize natin. Nakalagay dito yung schedule mga boss. February 1, 2025, SM Makati Cyber Zone. And may game tayo. Una na dyan is yung 3v3 deathmatch. And if magtataka kayo bakit TBA yung natitirang tatlong schedule, magsagot na kayo boss sa ating ating survey form para mapili kung saan yung next nating on ground na pupuntahan ng ating Raccoon team. Then ito mga boss, additional on ground tournament natin is yung solo deathmatch. For the details sa ating on ground, punta lang kayo sa ating website raccoonc.playpark.com and also join the Discord community of Raccoon para updated kayo sa lahat ng ating mga events. And that's all mga boss. Thank you.